Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video in the amazing world of Roblox. So today we are back playing FE2, well not map test though, so I want to take a break with it. So today we're going to be doing once again another challenge, but this time in pro service. We're going to be doing the backwards challenge. Seems crazy, but anyway, without further ado, let's begin. And we're just going to quickly check on sales. I want to check what's the price for the crazy blocks skin. Oh, come on. That's cool. 1,250 gems. Okay, anyway, let's just wait for this level to finish. Okay, everyone survived. And alright, time to go. We're starting off straight with BTR. Oh my god, this is cool. This game just wants me to fail. Let's watch her get the button. I believe that she can get it. The only time I'm ever gonna turn those when I have to do them like wall jumps. And of course trusses. So you can't do those two things backwards. And already oof me because I already failed the easiest thing in the world. But see, I was just checking around the skin because I kind of want to get a new skin. So I kind of think I'm suddenly feeling a bit like rigged in my mind. I'm always using the exact same skin, so I want to change it up. But the skin I want to get one is literally 1,250 gems. But the other skin I want to get, like sure, the next skin I might get is the Xyleek skin at 1,250. Alright, let's spectate Drifter. I'm going at least to him or her. I don't know who's I bet. I think it's him. GG, he won it. And at least he isn't doing the backwards challenge like me. We just gotta wait for the next level. At least this one's gonna be hard, which is cruel. 101% cruel. I'm so mad at whoever that was who just did it. I'm like active. This is like, if I can beat Dark Side with this, I'm absolutely Lugia. I did it! Oh my god, this is scary. Oh my god! Well, this is for the content I have to do. Of course, I forgot none. Oh, pretty cool. Let's spectate God Water. Go ye? Oh, it's me is going down. Anyway, let's spectate him and GG. Level 35, I'm level 41. There's a difference of 6 levels. I don't know if that was useful to say. So I'm getting backwards. Oh, it doesn't let you go in backwards. Wow. If I can beat this, you have to at least say that I'm good at this game. Because backwards familiar, like the only level I've actually ever beaten backwards without failing, well until now, was on Castle Tides, which is too easy because it's, why is it called easy, right? Okay, for example, like that jump, I can't really climb it. Okay, no. My mouse disconnected. This is about to be my second map I've ever completed backwards. And there you go, guys. There you go. That's backwards challenge. That's the first level. Here's another. Why do I have chat open? I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Impossible to go backwards for me. Okay, guys, once I reach that one humongously long jump, let me just quickly switch over to this. Never mind, I'm so failure. He does not challenge you. I'm triggered that. Like, I'm not triggered, it's just weird how everyone is just going like, yeah, I'm a YouTuber. It's like they've already watched my channels, even though they probably never did. What was even the point of passing? So I was even gonna survive. Let me close the sentence because I didn't want that. Oh, why? Normals, ew. Barf. This is too easy. I'm gonna cry. You guys seriously don't know. I'm gonna start crying. Next second you realize that I fall because I did not. Because I start lagging and my spacebar does not want to jump. I'm sad. Guys, I just don't like myself. Just kidding. Girl did shortcuts up. Yeah, true. Whoever did. Oh, finally, now he's onto backwards. Now he's rip Rooney to go full time. Rip to the Rooney. Oh my god, we get normal. I mean, super easy again. I failing like heck because I'm backwards. Finally, an easy one. An easy normal. Like they're all easy. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I just did something I shouldn't have done. Okay guys, now I might be changing it from backwards and you know, I'm just gonna contribute to the team by pressing this one. Hey, actually help the team out. Okay, hopefully I don't fail this. Easy! That's how I'm gonna try to glitch out. I bet it's gonna show me that sticky keys thing. I don't want it. What is it? Shop, skins, buy unequipped. Why did I do that? What? That was completely, absolutely, totally, uselessly. That's what it was. I suck at this. You guys, for this one jump, I'm just gonna do because I don't want to do all those pulls. No. Oh. Oh my god, I suck for going that way. the shop, emotes. Let me get the levitate. Okay, guys, this is gonna be my final level, and this is gonna be my final, second or third final level before I end out the video. And of course, they have to make a Lost Desert, which I obviously never wanted. I believe this shortcut is still possible. Never mind, it's not. It's possible! Oh my Lucian, dude. Okay, for trusted just like, oh my. Yee, that was close. I absolutely hate those jumps. Especially these! Yes, you are enter. No, I'm escaping. No, I'm freaking. Actually, I suck at this game. Rip him. Anyways, gonna pause for. So, guys, I'm kind of suddenly lagging right now. Oh my god, why does this always happen? Why? This is just cool. But why does the game just do that? One, it starts lagging me out, and then after it disconnects, and then I'm not disconnect. And then after it straight away does it, and then it straight away times me out. That's just uncool. Ooh, rip. He's literally, wait, was that me? No, it wasn't. Oh, this one's me now. Shop skins on your clip. Equip. Now if I leave the lift, now I'm going to now I know I have the speed glitch. It's kind of slightly useless to do. See, at least she gets to go frontwards. I'm doing the backwards with. I'm doing the backwards with my man God Volta. God Volta 55 balls. Just for some, because I don't know why, but he kind of just wants to follow what I'm doing. By chance they had to. What the heck was that? Shop skins? Oh, it's my buddy. I don't have any buddies equipped. Equip, unequip. What was that? Oh, supposedly, crazy blocks. Please fix this. It's gonna be the most stressful part. Last stressful, hardest, especially with this weird glitch. Plus going backwards. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end out the video here. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any new future content. Once again, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and see you all next time.